Hey y'all, it's Brandon with Voodoo Forge. When I built my welding table, I was planning on adding a sliding leaf, for lack of a better term, that ran on the receiver hitches that I was putting underneath it. So I finally got around to doing that, and this is how I did it, and this is how it worked out. Here is the plan. I'm going to take this piece of receiver tube and weld it on this side of the welding table. I've got this piece already over here for my vices. Well, once I have both of these on, I'm going to take this 2-inch square and put it in there, and then because of the thickness of the receiver tube, I've got some 2-inch, 1/4 that I'm going to weld on top of these to give it the same height as the table, and put this 3/8 plate, 1 foot by 3 foot, 3/8 plate on top of that. So I'll be able to move this piece in and out, so I'll have a negative space for welding and clamping and things like that. So let's get on this. I've got her square, let's tack it. Gonna do a quick test, just setting everything up to make sure that it's fairly level. Oh man, that is perfect. It's absolutely perfect with those 1/4-inch spacers. You know what? I think I'm gonna clamp it and try sliding it just to make sure before I weld everything up. Another clamp would be cool, wouldn't it? Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, it will work. I believe. Let's tack this bad boy in place. Maybe. Well, maybe we can tack it. Oh, it's good. Yeah, it is. The goal here is just to be able to mark it so that I know when I'm about to pull it out. I'll know when I see orange to stop sliding. If I ain't get it out, it ain't gonna be super easy. That wasn't too bad. Okay. Well, see how much extra table that gives me. Close to 27 inches more table. Okay, I'm putting my weight on it. What, 230. That didn't pick the table up. Yeah, I'd say that's a win. Well, y'all, that's it. I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. It made my table even more versatile. This is any welding table I build from now on, any kind of fabrication table, this is going to be something that I add to it. Plus the fact I can pull it off and put different vices on. I think it's pretty cool. But anyway, tell me what you think about it. Leave that down there in the comments. If you have any questions, leave them down there. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. All right, y'all behave yourselves.
What do you call fake spaghetti?
Impasta? Hey, I went to Satellite's wedding. The wedding wasn't too fun, but the reception was great.